Hey grade 11, so today I'm going to show you guys, starting from fresh, how to create a table in databases. It's new to you people, you guys haven't done it before, and these videos are basically just for your knowledge to go back, watch it, pause it, watch it and see what I'm doing. So let's get straight into business, and the first thing that we're going to be doing right now is we're going to actually open up your Access. Now please don't freak out when you work with Access, okay? The first thing that you need to do is we're going to start off with a blank database, okay? And you get this message. Like, you must remember, because you haven't created one, you're going to create it from scratch. So the file name, for the purpose of this, we're just going to say first attempt, right? First attempt. And this is not restricted to any of your exercises or activities. This is just something straight off the top of my head, and we're just going to create it. So we create first attempt, and you are going to choose where you want to save this. Okay, so you click on the little folder, and I've already created a folder for you guys on my desktop, and I'm just going to put it in there in the grade 11. It will change where it needs to go to, and I simply click on create, and nothing really fancy here. It's quite boring. So what we're going to do is here we're going to, this is known as your data sheet view, but we need to work in the design view. Everything that you guys do in terms of how you want to present your table is done in the design view. Now you need to understand that later on we're going to get to a point where we start dealing with queries, reports, and those things have to always come from somewhere, and that will be from a table. So what you're going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a very basic table, and in the next video I'll speak about the property sheet and the data types. Okay. So what you do is we click on view, we go to design view, and we need to give our table a name. Now because I'm going to be using some personal information, not really personal information, but information about your name, your surname, I'm just going to write here student info. Okay, and if I go alright, I get this big beautiful sheet. Again, do not freak out. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our field names in here. In essence, how you people see it in Excel that go on a horizontal line is your headings. In the design view, we just do it vertically. So the first one, we're just going to put in unique code. All right, I'll explain these a little later to you guys. We're going to put in the name. Oops, too many things there. And the reason why I got that message was because I didn't stipulate the data type. Now I said in the next video I'll explain data types. So the default one that you'll always get is going to be short text. The first one is always auto number. We can change it, but I'll explain that in the next video. We are just setting up our field names. Alright, so we have surname. You'll see I'll get the message again, or why not? Okay, we have mode of transport, because each learner has a different way of getting to school. We have your area in which you live, and then we have an emergency number should we contact your parents. Alright, so in essence they're all in short text. We haven't played around with any of the field properties here. That will be in the third video. So once we are happy with our field names, in other words our headings, we click on the view, say yes, and there we have it. We have our headings, and you'll see that some of them, it works like Excel. Double click, it will make the fields a little bit bigger. Okay, and from this we're going to build more information. So if you've ever wondered how to start a table, that is how we do it, and we will plug in the information in the next video. So I hope this helps, and I will build onto this. Thanks guys, appreciate it.